You've heard it said that giant leaps bring about massive change. But what if it's the small steps that truly move the needle? Think about it. Every great achievement started with a single, tiny step forward. Just one. That first step is often the hardest, but it's also the most important. It sets the stage for everything to come. Small steps may not seem like much on their own, but together, they add up to incredible progress. Don't underestimate the power of tiny actions. They can spark a chain reaction that changes everything. Every small step you take gets you closer to your goal, closer than you were yesterday. It's easy to get caught up in the excitement of giant leaps, but it's the small steps that build lasting momentum. You don't have to be great to start, but you have to start to be great. Take that first small step today. Small steps are like ripples on a pond. They spread out and touch things you can't even see yet. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Make that step today. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Take the small step that's right in front of you. Small steps build confidence, and confidence is the key to taking even more action. You'll be amazed at how far small steps can take you. Just keep moving forward. Each small step is a victory. Celebrate them, and you'll find the motivation to keep going. The smallest step can change your direction. Which direction do you want to go? You're one small step away from a better tomorrow. Take it today. Small steps may be small, but they're mighty. They can move mountains over time. The power of small steps lies in their consistency. Keep showing up and taking action. Don't compare your small steps to someone else's giant leaps. You're on your own journey. You are capable of amazing things. Prove it to yourself with small steps today. The smallest action can spark a revolution in your life. What will yours be? Small steps can be scary, but they're also liberating. Take control of your life today. Remember, it's the small steps that build trust with yourself. Keep your promises, no matter how small. Every small step forward is a step away from fear and toward your dreams. You don't have to have it all figured out. Just take the next small step and see what happens. The most powerful thing you can do is show up and take small steps toward your goals. Small steps today mean a better life tomorrow. That's a promise you can keep. Keep taking small steps, and you'll find that momentum builds. Before you know it, you'll be unstoppable. So, what small step will you take today? The possibilities are endless, and the future is waiting. Small steps can be a daily habit. Make them a part of your routine and watch your progress unfold naturally over time. Every small step is a building block for your future. Keep adding them, and you'll be amazed at what you can achieve. The beauty of small steps is that they're accessible. You can start right now without needing anything more than your willingness. In a world that often celebrates big wins, remember that small steps are the unsung heroes of success. Taking small steps can be a form of self-care. It shows you're committed to your growth and well-being. Small steps can lead to significant changes over time. They may not be dramatic, but they are powerful. The journey to your goals is made up of small steps. Keep moving forward, one step at a time. Small steps help you stay grounded. They keep you focused on what you can control right now. The cumulative effect of small steps can be astonishing. Keep taking them, and progress will be yours. Small steps are about progress, not perfection. Keep moving forward and celebrate every step. You have the power to create the life you want, one small step at a time. Start today. The small steps you take today will become the habits of tomorrow. Make them count.